Oh, Rajasthan. First of all, Khulumbai to all my Bodo friends and brothers and sisters. The most important thing is not leading the TIPRASAs. The most important thing is how to keep our unity together. If we are united, we can get whatever we dream for. Whether it is Greater Tipra land, whether it is Bodo land, because we all know eventually the final solution is getting our self-rule. But in the meanwhile, in the interim, it is very important for our leaders to be strong, united, and not become scared of whoever is in power in Guwahati or in Agartala or in Delhi. We have to remain united. We have to speak for our people. And if we can speak for our people without being scared of who our leaders are, whether they're in BJP, Congress or any other party, then only we can succeed. Our people have expectations from us. And my job and my duty is to first speak for my people rather than speak for my party. And my people want constitutional solution. Bodos want constitutional solutions. Dimasas, Karbis, Khasi, Garo, Jaintiyas, Chakmas, in Mizoram, everybody wants constitutional solution. And if the indigenous people can unite, we will be a factor. Northeast is not taken seriously because we are fighting with each other, we are fighting amongst each other, but we are not fighting for each other. The day we can fight for each other, we will achieve far bigger heights than we can ever have dreamt of. See, Bodos are like TIPRASAs. We are brothers. Our language is almost the same. Our culture is very same. I just want the Bodos to realize one thing, that do not stop negotiating with the government of India. It is our right to demand for whatever is given to us in the constitution. And my only message to the Bodo people is, if you remain together, if you stop fighting in the name of language, in the name of religion, in the name of different political parties, then more can be achieved. We also support the demand of Bodo land. I know that many Bodos support our demand of Greater Tipra land. But the fact is that only extending support will not happen. We need to go and speak in one voice, together, whoever it is, it may be. It may be Congress, it may be BJP today, it may be some other party tomorrow. But the fact is that we are not speaking for a party, we are speaking for a jati. And that is very important. Oh, Rajasthan.